In this episode, we're going to talk about this article that was written in regards to Microsoft, and there's been no balance between the fundamental and market prices. As you can see, Microsoft has run up substantially over the last 12 months, particularly with the illness that's and it's suggesting here that the upside is only about 20% now, instead of 60% upside potential. So we're sitting at about $252 per share at the moment. Other news is that Microsoft is also increased the daily number of active users of workplace collaboration tools to 145 million, and that's almost a double from a year ago, and up around 20 million in November 2019. So that's an incredible acceleration in the adoption of digital tools in the form of business software and cloud computing to video games. So as you can see, there's some analysts there suggesting that this growth may slow down. So why don't we have a look here at the press release here and the webcast that was announced by the CEO. As you can see, Microsoft fuels its third quarter results. Revenue was up 41.7 billion, an increase of 19%. Operating income was up $17 billion, an increase of 31%. Net income was up 15.5, and diluted earnings per share was $2.03, an increase of 45%. The CEO is also saying that over the year in the pandemic, digital adoption curves aren't slowing down. They're accelerating, and it's just the beginning. So and also saying that they're building the cloud for the next decade, expanding their addressable market and innovating across every layer of tech. So this is an incredible announcement here for potential upside for Microsoft. In addition, the Microsoft Cloud, with its end-to-end user solutions, continues to provide compelling value to our customers, generating 17.7 billion in commercial cloud revenue, up 33% over the year. 33%. Now, what else have we got? We can have a look at here. We can also see that revenue has increased. Revenue's up from $35 billion to $41.7 billion. So that's an incredible increase there in the amount of revenue. And as you can see, the operating income and net income are up from 10.7 billion to 15.4 billion. So that's just absolutely incredible increase there. And the business highlights here: revenue in productivity and business processes increased 15%. And this is partly due to the office and commercial products and cloud service revenue, which increased 14%. And this is driven by Office 365 commercial growth up 22%. Office consumer products and cloud services increased 5%. And Microsoft 365 consumer subscribers increased to 50.2 million. Another revenue stream here, and the revenue streams from Microsoft just continues. LinkedIn is another business owned by Microsoft. It increased 25%. Dynamics products and cloud services increased in revenue 26%. Dynamics 365 revenue growth was up 45%. That's just astounding. Revenue and intelligent cloud has increased by 23%. And Azure increased its growth of 50%. 50%. That's absolutely incredible. Revenue in more personal computing was 13 billion, an increase of 19%. There was Windows OEM revenue increased 10%. There was an increase in Xbox services as well, 34%. Search and advertising revenue increased by 17%. Surface revenue increased 12%. So this is an incredibly strong position for Microsoft to be in. It also returned $10 billion to shareholders in the form of share repurchases and dividends in the third quarter. So it's an incredible position, and this information, as you can see, it's off the Microsoft Investor Relations website. Have a look for yourself. There's other information packs here, as you can see. But to say that Microsoft has no balance between the fundamental market prices, well, I tend to disagree. I mean, there's quite an in-depth analysis here in this article here, but just based off the fundamentals and these contracts that just keep coming in for Microsoft, and the growth is just phenomenal. So as you can see, there's another article here from the Wall Street Journal. The tech giants just keep growing. So my position, well, I personally, I really like this company, and I plan on buying more. So let us know what you think. Leave a like on the video. I'll be interested to see what you have to say and what you guys out there are thinking and doing. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It helps support the channel, and speak to you next time. Bye for now.